Good morning, this is GM Anhawk, and today we're gonna make a guide on how to get your weapon to plus 15. So here, we're gonna start with a budget of 2 billion, and we're gonna tell you how much we're gonna spend to make it plus 15. So first, we're gonna buy our stones since we don't have stones, but you can also hunt stones. Okay, so for plus, and we also have a guide in the forum. So here we have Asis. We're gonna be using Asis and Surapa, Prajati, Sambadu, Uta Sambadu, and Gavi and Bedante. So if you click here, this brings you to another page in the forum. So these are the names, and this is I also have like where to find them here in the journey. So if you're gonna go to the journey, then it gives you this, the upgrade refinement. You can find this by going to the forum. Then you can go to events. Then you find October events. Then scroll down to the bottom and you will find the journey. Then click on that, gives you here. Okay. And then gives you basic information, beginner's guide, and veteran's guide. So we're gonna go to upgrade your items to plus 15. But here I also put some details of what you will be needing. So here we have 100 success, and here's where you're gonna find the Asis. So you're gonna find it in Chateau, and I also have videos here for Chateau. Okay, this is where you're gonna find the Asis. Then you also have Sorapa. Same thing, you can find it in Chaturanga. For Prajati, you can get these from bosses. All of the bosses drop Prajati. Sambadu, there's a lot of that in Muda, the golems. And just click on the link and it will tell you how to go to Muda. Same with Uta Sambadu, just click on the link and it gives you the guide for Uta Sambadu. And click the link for Gavi. This is a guide for crafting Gavi. Okay. Alright, so then let's go back. We're gonna go back to our guide for plus 15. So here. So here is a list of the stones, and here is a list of how much you're gonna spend. But I'm gonna show it to you with Nayate so that you know that Nayate gives 50% off. So here, if this is 390 million to upgrade to plus 15, then you're just gonna need about 200 because that's gonna be cut in half. If you're not gonna fail with plus 13, 14, and 15. But if you do, then of course you're gonna need more money. Okay, so let's start. So let's buy 2 Asis. Then 2 Sorapa. 3 Prajatis. And 2 Sambadu. So go here, put your weapon, your stone. So 2 million becomes 1 million, then click on OK. Continue with plus 2, put your stone. 6 million becomes 3 million, click on OK. Let's just proceed to plus 3, 7 million, 14 minus 50%, click on OK. plus 4, 24 million divided by 2, that should be 12. Right, then plus 5, we have Prajati. Plus 6, Prajati. Plus 7, Prajati. Plus 8 is Sambadu. Plus 9 is Sambadu. Okay. And for plus 10, we're gonna need Uta Sambadu. So let me get some Uta Sambadu first, okay? Okay, so we have 3 pieces of Uta Sambadu. Now we're gonna continue. So we have plus 10. Then Nayate. So let's just take note here how much we have, how much money we have. We have 1,796,065,031. So we have 1.7 billion. Then we're gonna do our plus 10. Okay, so plus 10 is supposed to cost us 126 million here. But then if it gets cut in half, so what is a half of 126? It's about 50 plus 13, about 63 million, right? So if we were to deduct 63 million minus 63, so we should have about 1.733 million after. Okay, so let's do it. We're discussing it because as soon as we put Nayate, it tells you it's going to charge you 20 billion. Okay, so but that's not the case. If we compute, we're going to be deducted about 63, and we're going to check that. So click on OK. So now, as you can see, our money becomes 1732. So that's closer to the 1733, right? The one we had earlier. Okay then, not the 20, okay? So there's a little bit of mistake here when it comes to the system. And then we're up to plus 11, 149 divided by 2, that's 75 million. So 1.732 minus 75 million, that should give us about 1.6 75, about 1635, 1665, something like that. Let's put our Nayate. Then click on OK. So we have plus 11 completed, and we have about 1.65, okay? And then lastly, we have our plus 12, cost 175. So half of 175 is about 50 plus 12, about 62 million. Okay, so give or take, this will be 1.59. And let's get Anayate. Then plus 12, we're done. Okay. Then we're gonna start with plus 13. But we don't have Gavi, so I'm gonna have to get some Gavi. Okay.